If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Now I've been registered with Appen for several years now and have made absolutely zero. In this video, I'm gonna share with you why that is and why you might not make any money either. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Appen is a very popular work from home job opportunity out there. Thousands of people search on working from home for Appen. Now, if you're not familiar with what Appen is, it is a company that hires people to do a variety of different tasks. All right. Things like audio transcription, text transcription, search engine evaluation, image labeling, and so on and so on. So pretty much fairly easy task, you know what I'm saying, if you got a little bit of skill. All right. So why haven't I made any money with Appen? But before I get into that, I do want to make one thing clear about this work from home job opportunity that a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people, when they try to look into Appen, they think it's one of them jobs where you get hired and you're working like an hourly 9 to 5 from home. Appen is not that. Appen is a by task opportunity, which means, you know, it probably won't be that consistent. All right, you get paid, you might get hired to do a task here, hired to do this task the next week, maybe a couple days later get hired to do this task. So if you are looking for one of them opportunities that's real stable and consistent, Appen probably is not for you. All right, so let's get into the 2 reasons why I haven't made a damn dollar from Appen. All right, now the first reason, I don't know who to blame. I don't know if it's my fault or if it's Appen's fault. All right, but here's the thing. Whenever you register with Appen, which anybody can do, boom. All right, you got your little account and everything. You have to then apply for the task that you want to do. All right, and that's fine. But you actually have to be approved after you apply to actually do the job. So it's multiple steps that you got to take before you can make your first dollar with Appen. So what happens is you can go into Appen and you can look for different jobs that's available and you could apply for them. All right. So I did apply for a couple different tasks a few years ago, and for whatever reason, I didn't get accepted. All right. I did not get accepted. Now, here's another thing that you want to keep in mind, that a lot of these tasks that are posted, they only have a certain amount of work that's available. So for example, a company might say, oh, we need 200 people to do this. We only need 200 pieces of content transcribed, right? So they only need, say, 200 workers. So if you go into the Appen and you try to get that position, it might already be filled, all right? Or they might look at your profile and be like, we don't think this person is a good candidate for this task, right? So you won't get accepted. So even though you registered with Appen and even though you apply for different tasks, that does not mean you're going to get that work. That's not going to mean you're automatically going to make money just because you apply, right? So that's one of the reasons why I haven't made any money with Appen. Now, the second reason I haven't made any money with Appen, now this is probably my fault, all right? And that's because I didn't really check my emails, all right? So what I mean by that is once you register with Appen and everything, your account set up, you will get email notifications that show you upcoming jobs, right? That you can apply for. And I ain't gonna lie, I would see a lot of emails come in from Appen. You know what I'm saying? Like in a week, I'll see probably like maybe 8 or 10 different emails. And although I did check a couple, all right, I checked a couple. And honestly, when I checked them, I'm like, oh, this ain't either A, I didn't want to do that job, or B, I'm like, they're not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna qualify for that, right? But with that being said, I still like ignored a lot of emails from Appen. So some of them emails might have been great opportunities. They could have been some easy money, but I just didn't open them, right? I was doing other stuff. That probably could have cost me, you know what I'm saying? If I really was trying to make money with this opportunity, I probably should have checked those emails. So here's the thing. If you are somebody who's like, yo, I want to work for Appen, I want to make some money, I want to be like this dude and not make any money, here's what I recommend you do. When you create your Appen account, when you register, this is what you need to do. Fill out your profile and everything, like to a T. If you got any skills, any background, do all of that stuff, right? Fill all of that information in, because that will actually help you when you do apply for different tasks, right? Because my Appen account was just bare as hell. I probably just put my name in there and I do marketing or whatever, right? It's not, I didn't go into detail, right? So if you do that and really take it serious and fill out as much information as you can, that probably will help you get hired for different tasks on the site. Now, once you get everything all set up and you feel confident in your profile, then make it a habit to go in once a day, right? And just look for new job listings, right, that you are willing to do, and then apply for them. And the second thing you need to do is what I didn't do, is check your emails on a regular basis and actually read them. All right. One thing you can actually do is create an email account strictly for Appen. This way you don't have to worry about missing any emails, because when I registered with Appen, like, I'm sure I missed some emails I didn't even see because I put it in with one of my other email accounts that I get tons of emails from all over the place. So not only did I ignore some of the Appen emails, I probably missed some because they probably just got mixed in the jumble of other emails. So if you're really trying to make money with Appen, you might want to create your own dedicated email that you could just check once a day, once every other day, and see if there's any job listings. Now, if you do these two things, I am confident that you probably will make some money from Appen. But keep in mind, this is not like a hourly work from home job. This is at most could be like a little side hustle, close to a part-time income, depending on what tasks you get hired to do. But do not look at Appen as like a full-time work from home job, because it's not that. Is it legit? Absolutely. Can you get rich off of it? Hell no.